Linda Bradley here with Princess House. So as we go into this winter 2021, we have a lot of cooking to do. In a lot of areas, the restaurants are still highly limited in regards to getting in, a lot of takeout, and so people are cooking at home more than ever before, whether you want to or not. And so you'll find that when you have quality cookware, it makes a huge difference in your cooking. It's more fun to cook, and also what ends up happening is it's easier to clean, and you don't mind it so much. So I have a great set tonight that I want to show you, and this is a layaway set. So I make different layaways every month depending on what's on sale, and I try to give you the best bang for the buck, and I have a really nice set tonight that I hope that you'll like. You can reach out to me anytime, Linda Bradley at myprincesshouse.com, and I'll actually make a setup for you. Give me your wish list, tell me what you want, and I'll work at the magic. And then you can do layaway. So layaway is a great way to get the items that you want at a price that you can afford. So tonight I have some of our healthy essentials cookware. So these pieces are really cool for a couple of different reasons. Number one, they are tri-ply, which is the best quality that you can get. They're called healthy essentials because they're designed to help you live a healthier life. I don't know if you're going to be able to see, but inside the pot, sometimes my lights show it and sometimes they don't. There's two little circles, and what that's for is the small one is for a teaspoon and then the larger one is for a tablespoon. So when your recipe calls for oil, you can literally just pour it in and see how much it is. So that saves you time and you don't have to wash another utensil, and it also saves you calories. You know exactly how much to put in. Also on the sides, again, I don't know if you can see it, but there's measurements up the sides so you know how much to pour in. So this collection that I'm going to show you is 3 pieces, and these are all the 12 inches. So they're nice and large. So this is a 12-inch, and the lids are interchangeable, so they fit on all of them. So this is a 12-inch. You can see it's a nice casserole or whatever you might want to call it, and this is a 4-quart one. Then the larger one is a 6-quart one. And again, as I said, that the lids fit on top. And then last but not least in this collection is the 12-inch one, which is more like a flat one. But here's the part that everybody loves. They stack. This is our stackable set. It will come with 3 pans and 2 lids, and they stack. So they save you 35% room. Look how much room that took up, right? In your cabinets, because a lot of people have small kitchens. Now, in addition to that, I'm going to give you in this set a 12-inch skillet because everybody needs one like this. You'll see that it's nice and shiny inside. It's a satin interior. It's not non-stick, but it is easy release. And so it will release your foods evenly. And this is 12 inches. I'm also going to include 2 of our popular silicone tools. So the first one is our flat turner, and these are nice. Again, as far as the healthy essentials, they have a little line on it to show you how much 3 ounces is. We also have the tongs, and these are silicone as well, and there's like a fork on the one side and then the spoon on the other, so they're kind of cool. And then as a bonus, I'm going to give you, because this completes your whole kitchen, I'm going to give you the prep set. So this is a really cool piece because first of all, look how nice and compact it is, right? It sits right on your counter and it has everything that you need. So it has 2 cutting boards, and you'll see that they're color coded, and the reason is because you cannot mix your meats and your fruit, cross-contamination. So you'll see that there's a blue blade, right? There's a blue knife and a blue cutting board. They go together. This is for your meats. And then there is a green cutting board and a green knife, and these are for your fruit. So this way you don't have that cross-contamination. The boards are made of bamboo, which is the best material for cutting boards. They won't damage your blades. They're impervious to bacteria, so they're really good. Bamboo is the best. There's also 1 extra cut in here, and this is like for sandwiches or for cheese. You will also notice that the blades themselves are dark, and that's because they're non-stick. So your sticky foods like cheese or tomatoes don't stick to them. Here's the cool part. There's so many cool parts. On the end right here is a built-in knife sharpener. So it's right there. You don't have to worry about it. And one of my favorite pieces ever is the food scoop. Did you ever use one of these? These are especially nice when you have big things, right? A bunch of chicken or pineapple or, you know, cheese, whatever, you can just scoop it up and put it wherever you want. And these also have measurements. So I love this set. It all comes together. So this is a great kitchen set. Look what you get, right? You have your cookware, you have your utensils, and you have your prep set. So this whole set, if you were to just purchase it outright, would cost over $950. But here's my layaway special for you. You can get this set for half that price, literally $502. So you can start with just $130 down and then make $37 weekly payments for just 10 weeks, and then it's yours. You can reach out to me, Linda Bradley, at myprincesshouse.com, and you can adjust the payments however you want. If you want to make 4 payments, you can do that. If you want to make 8 payments, you can do that. If you just want to pay it in full, that's fine too. It ships when it's paid in full. So again, just reach out to me, Linda Bradley, at myprincesshouse.com. Let me help you have fun in the kitchen again. Now, we have a new catalog, and our most popular item, we're literally 2 weeks into the new year. Our most popular item is this Immersion Blender. Oh my gosh, people are going crazy for it because it has so many different attachments, and it's so cool. You can blend, you can chop, you can whip, and you can mash. So it's great for so many different things. So this is the set that I made up for you, but if you would like, you can swap the prep set for the Immersion Blender. So if you don't want the prep set, I will give you the Immersion Blender instead, not in addition. So it's your choice, all right? Immersion Blender or prep set, whichever you prefer. So again, just reach out to me, Linda Bradley, at myprincesshouse.com. Please like and share my video. Let's let other people know that you can have fun cooking again. My motto is I like to help busy people bring healthy to the table in a beautiful way. And that's what Princess House does. So we'll see you next time. This special actually is a limited time only. It only is going to run till this Saturday, which I have no idea what the date is. January, I don't even think I know what today is. 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16th, January 16th. That was sad watching me count on my fingers. All right, so this current special goes until January 16th. So reach out to me and I'll get the layaway started for you, okay? Linda Bradley at myprincesshouse.com.